Happy first birthday, Bentley. We love you very much and hope you have a wonderful birthday. You're a sweet, sweet girl. Love Uncle Aaron, Aunt Tisha, Garrett, and Camden. And a gift card to Kohl's. Hooray!
Oh, boy.
Don't eat that flower. We gotta buy you a birthday, not a birthday suit. You were born with that.
Mama.
Yes, look at that.
Stop.
I know.
Can you read it to me?
Sure.
I see that. Oh yes, I'm well aware.
Spot's first words. Do you want to open these other two?
Sure.
I think Emerson, after you read that, she might make that one.
Oh, this one? Spot looks inside a box and finds a toy car.
Yeah, yeah.
The coffee filter flower, okay. Spot takes a book to read in his chair. Spot puts on a cowboy hat and looks in the mirror. Spot picks up a shoe and hides under the table. Spot drinks from his bowl and takes a nap on the bed.
I see that. Are you taking apart the flower?
Spot chews
You're
on
doing
the
a good
floor
job.
and plays with his ball. Spot is at the window looking at the moon.
I see you, baby.
She's overcome, Father.
Read that to me.
I went walking.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, look at that. Bentley.
I saw a black cat looking. Oh, wait.